How to download your Facebook data. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can download your Facebook data. Step 1 is to open the Facebook app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have launched the application, make sure to log into your account. Step 2 is to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, scroll all the way down and select Settings and Privacy. Now select Settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll down and get to the section of Your Information. Once you're here, tap on the option of Download Your Information. Tap on Continue. It will take you to the Account Center. Here, tap on Download or Transfer Information. Then you want to select your account or profile. Tap on the option of Specific Types of Information. In here, your file will include the information that you choose for your selected profiles. Now from here, you want to select whatever data it is that you prefer. You can also tap on the option of Select All. If there is anything you do not want, simply uncheck that. Now tap on Next. If you want it to be downloaded to your current device, tap on Download to Device and tap on Next. Now tap on Date Range. From here, you can select the date range you want. You can select all time or last week depending on your preference. Now tap on Save. Once that is done, tap on the option of Create Files. Now depending on your file size, it will take some time for the download to be completed. Once it is completed, you will receive all of your Facebook data in a zip file. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.